Barn swallows, very aggressive bird. You get close to their nest and they don't like it. Oh. Oh, that was close. Gee, they do not like you look around their nest. Oh! Yo! that's kind of scary. They won't hit you, they won't hurt you, but the nest is right there, and you can see some. Oh, you can't see anybody in there now, but I usually don't mess with them. But I just wanted to show you what it was like with aggressive barn swallows. There's usually a few more. Oh, that's funny. Jeez. Okay, that's enough. Goodbye.